everyone. Today I'll teach you a very basic recipe about cooking rice and dal using a pressure cooker. And let's see. First I've taken rice, 1 bowl, then half a bowl of tur dal, then some turmeric powder, water and asafoetida, or you can call this as hing, and these are the 2 bowls in which we are going to prepare the dal and rice. Now let's start. First we will take rice in this big bowl and tur dal. First we have to wash them thoroughly, at least 2 times we have to wash them. Wash this tur dal 2 times, we have to wash it, and don't throw this water. We will water the plants using this water 2 times. Keep it aside. Then wash your rice. This also will wash 2 times at least. Then wash it again. At least 2 times we have to wash it. And if you really want to help your parents, you must learn this, how to cook. It's a very simple. Now we have to put water in it. Take 1 bowl water in your dal, and you have to take double the water for your rice, as we have taken 1 bowl rice. So we will take 2 bowls of water. Now we have to put some hing in the dal and some turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now how to put in pressure cooker. Take a pressure cooker, keep it on the gas, and we have to pour water in it, at least 2 glasses of water. Now keep a cooker plate on the bottom of the cooker. Then first put your dal and then rice, and now we will put a lid of it. See here, first we have to put a ring, and while doing this you must take help of your parents. Under their guidance only you have to lid this cooker. Now place the lid and turn it over. Then you have to keep a whistle on it, and now let 3 whistles blow and wait till cool down. Open the pressure cooker, at least after half an hour. Remove the container. See, our rice is ready. Now put some salt as per taste. Now we will dip it with the the churning stick. Now put the vessel on the gas and boil it for 2 minutes. Now grease your bowl with some ghee. Take rice in it. Press it a little bit. Put the dal on it. See, now it is boiling. And put some ghee on it. And your dal rice is ready to eat.